My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Volvo V60. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It is hybrid electric with an automatic transmission. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On our first page of the screen, we have our applications, which include Bluetooth, car status and driver performance. On the second page, we have navigation, radio, smartphone integration and our average fuel consumption. On the final page, we have our car functions. If we click this icon here, we can access our climate control, and the V60 comes with heated seats on either side. You also have 3 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.